Hello guys, welcome back to my new YouTube channel Algorithm Unlock, where we'll be solving 300 questions of CSES problem set. So the first question goes by the name of weird algorithm. So let's get started. So weird algorithm question states that we have been given a value n, and what we have to do is, if while my n is not equal to 1, that means if my n is not equal to 1, then what we have to do is we have to check if n is odd, that means if n by 2 is equal to 1, then in that case my new value of n should be equal to 3 multiplied by n plus 1. Else my else basically means that my n is an even value, that means my n modulo 2 is equal to 0, and in that case my n should be equal to n by 2. Now this process has to be repeated until my n is equal to 1, and each time what we have to do is we have to output the value of n. So over here what we have to, so I'll be just taking a new color. So over here we have to output what is the new value of n. That means we have to see out n each time after the operation is performed. So if we start off with this input that is given to us with, that is 3. So for n is equal to 3, first we have to output the value of 3. So I will output over here cout 3, and after that, since 3 is an odd value, so it will go into this if statement, and the new value of n will be equal to 3 into 3 plus 1. That means now my new value of n will be equal to 10. So initially it was 3, now it became 10. Then we check is my n equal to 1. Since n is not equal to 1, it went into my else statement, because n is an odd value, so this is actually else if. So since n is my even value, so n by 2 is, since n is even, because 10 by 2 is equal to 0, new value of n will be equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. So since 5 is not equal to 1, it gave the output as 5, and it checked that since 5 by 2 or 5 modulo 2 is equal to 1, the new value of n will be equal to 3 into 5 plus 1, that is 16. So it again checked, is my 16 equal to 1? No. So my output 16, so I will give an output as 16, and then since 16 by 2 is equal to 0, so my new value of n will be equal to 8. After that, since 8 modulo 2 is equal to 0 again, so it became 4, and it became 2, and finally after, when my n value was equal to 2, it went to this else if statement, whereas we saw that 2 by 2 is equal to 0. In that case, 2 by 2 is, so my new value of n will be equal to 1. So since my n is equal to 1, and in that case this loop breaks because my n is equal to 1. So after this we also have to give cout n, and over here there should be an end as well. So finally I will get this output, which is same as this one, which is given over here. So I guess you guys would have understood how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the coding part. Okay, so let's start with the coding part. So initially we have to take input x, so then we'll just take it as one. So see, now we have to check that, we have to say that we have to run a loop while my n is not equal to 1. So while my n is not equal to 1, I have to output the value of n, output n, and if my n is odd, that is if my n modulo 2 is equal to 1, then in that case my n should be equal to 3 into 1 plus 1, hence my n should be equal to n modulo 2. And this loop will keep on running until the value of n is equal to 1. And after that, what I have to do is cout 1, and we have to put over here n. So this is the input that is given to us, and this is the output that we require. So let's just check if this works. Yes, so the test case is passed, which basically means that we have got the required output. And let's just submit this. Okay, so we have got an accepted solution. So that's it for this video. So if you guys understood how to solve this problem, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll be meeting with you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.